Kiev, your eyes under the air raid sirens. Kiev, how I held you close, while you looked like World War III. This is it, isn't it? Sometimes injustice isn't the worst thing. While the missiles come down, the ministers get press time. War, war, war. So Slavic, so misappropriated. Encirclement, circa 1942. Nazis wear the best uniforms. Their love for flak panzers, again, will develop a taste for chicory in a week or two. Wouldn't you? Kiev, encircle this, encircle that. Tight round your waist, your Moscow flank, surface to air. Kiev with some Antigone hairspray. Mascara look, running down, all around. Midst the airstrikes in irrationality. Kiev, I find you irresistible. Sing to me from the old Victrola, while history repeats, 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 repeats. Kiev, I've never felt this way. Just me, just you, so close. Turn out the light, so pretty under the amygdala. Shall we end? Shall we begin?